dog breeds, Shih Tzu. Hello and welcome to VideoJug. We're here at the Crufts dog show in Birmingham, England. Crufts is the largest dog show in the world and draws the finest pedigreed dogs to its competitions. We spoke to dog owners and breeders to find out more about the different breeds of man's best friend. In this film, we meet Shih Tzu Fred and his owner David. Step 1. Personality.
A very outgoing breed, love people, good with children, and it's just a breed that they like people. They just, as we say, they get under your skin. They're known as, actually in the breed as the little people. They're happy-go-lucky, don't take a lot of upkeep unless you have a show dog.
Step 2. Exercise.
They live a pretty normal life. They run around the garden, but they are just slightly restricted over against a lot of others. They don't run around the fields where they would pick up all the bits of bramble and all this, which would break the coat too much. To counteract that, we walk them a lot around the roads.
Step 3. Feeding.
There are so many different ways of feeding. We use to a great extent a complete feed. When we say that word, it's a dry food. Because Shih Tzu obviously are smallish dogs and have fairly small teeth, we tend to moisten it a little bit, but we also, just for added flavour, add a small amount of meat to it.
Step 4. Grooming.
There's a major difference between grooming and caring for a show dog compared to a Shih Tzu as a pet. Once they're adults, we bath them and condition them, a bit like a lady would do her own hair, about twice a week. It's a complete process. We have blow dryers which speed up the drying process with this quantity of coat. A pet dog, most people with pets will have them trimmed. An owner would still need to do a certain amount of grooming, not a vast amount, but a certain amount, preferably about 10 minutes every sort of 2 to 3 days.